Hey guys, it's Freya and Charlie here. Welcome back to our channel. For today's recipe, we are going to be doing a super simple noodle weeknight dinner for you.
Yes, it's a sizzling sesame oil 1-bowl noodle recipe. And to add a bit of extra nutrition, we've gone for a crispy fried crumbled salt and pepper tofu on the top.
Yes, it sounds like a mouthful, it sounds like it's complex. It's really not. It's very simple. You essentially just cook your tofu, cook your noodles, make a sauce in a bowl, combine it all together.
Great, well let's show them how it's done.
Let's do it.
This is our sizzling sesame oil noodles with salt and pepper tofu.
First up, we need to make our sauce. It's only got 8 ingredients, and the first one we're going to put in is our peanut butter.
We're using smooth 100% peanut butter, but crunchy peanut butter would work too. Next, add in the white miso paste and the gochujang. We've added 1 tablespoon, but it is pretty spicy, so if you struggle with spicy food, we would recommend half or quarter of a tablespoon. We're then going to add in the soy sauce, maple syrup, and the juice of half a lime. Give it a really good squeeze, we don't want to waste a drop. Crush in the garlic and stir everything together. Leave the bowl to one side. We're now going to make our tofu. Add some cornflour to a large bowl. Then add in a few big pinches of salt and half a tablespoon of black pepper. Stir it all together, then crumble in your tofu. The littler pieces are great because they go really crispy in the pan.
I think it's quite nice to have different sized pieces, so we've got some big ones, some really little ones, and it's just nice to mix up a bit.
Now toss it all together to make sure the cornflour mix has covered all the bits of tofu. Heat some cooking oil in a large non-stick pan, then add in the tofu and cook until crispy for around 8 minutes, stirring regularly. Once your tofu is nearly done, cook your noodles and heat the sesame oil in a pan until it sizzles and smokes. Remove the tofu from the heat and pour the hot sesame oil into your sauce, then stir to combine straight away. Drain your noodles, then add straight into the sauce and mix together. Serve up and top with the crispy salt and pepper tofu, some finely sliced spring onion and coriander, then finish it off with some crushed peanuts.
Taste this.
Yeah.
I'm going to have some noodles.
I'm going to try the tofu. What's the verdict?
So good. It looks like basic tomato pasta, but honestly, it's like an explosion in your mouth of flavour.
This tofu as well, this salt and pepper tofu, the way that you've crumbled it means you get loads more little crispy bits because of the surface area. I'm into this. I'm going to start making tofu like this all the time.
Delicious.
Swap. That is really good.
Isn't it? Delicious.
Delicious.
Delicious. I feel like we use that word too much.
It's got a good kick to it too.
It's got a kick.
When it hits the back of your throat, that little spice.
Yeah.
Cool, well thank you so much for watching all the way through this video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit subscribe because we've got loads of more recipes like this on their way.
We'd also love to know if you tried this recipe out at home, so let us know down in the comments, and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. We'll see you in our next video.
Bye!